Roth IRAs. Okay, okay. Great stuff. Great stuff. I love it. Love it. You get some great gems there. Definitely. Talk a little bit as well, Denise, in reference to how you help some of your clients in terms of them starting a travel business in terms of some of their tax perks.
Well, with some of my clients, sometimes they may owe, and 90% of everybody who I talk to travels. So what I do is I talk to them. I said, hey, you know, you working, I know you have your regular 9-to-5 job,
Right.
but I also know that you travel a lot as well. Like you're going on your family vacations and things. So would you be interested in starting a business that can help you potentially not owe any money at the end of the year with your taxes?
Yep.
So then they'll be like, oh, that sounds interesting because I don't want to pay this money anyway. And so that's when they'll be like, okay, so I'll show them the information and I'll let them know. Now, when you go on your trip with your family, you now have this business where you can write off your flight. You now can write off your car rental. You now write off your Airbnb. You now write off your hotel. You now write off, even if we go to the bar and you start talking about this business to somebody else, them drinks and that food is now their write-off. So this meals and entertainment.
There you go.
And so I tell people all these things now become write-offs. Even your vehicle. People wrote like, you driving, going to these different places, you can use your vehicle depreciation for 5 years. So why not use that vehicle as well? That's another write-off. So use the depreciation. Use all these things. Your computer, you had to purchase this computer to work on. That's things if you use in your home. You actually got an office space in your home. Now that is a write-off. You can't get the full for all your utilities. However, you get a percentage because you have to use electricity in your office. So these are now things that you can say, okay, I'm putting all these on here. And then of course you have dues. If you're using travel, you have dues that you would pay on a monthly basis. So that again is a write-off. But not only that, just for the write-offs, now you also making money back on what you did. So now when you went on that trip with your family, not only are you able to write off for your taxes, but guess what? Now you got a check for doing that same thing you was doing anyway. So that's why I tell people it's a win-win.
I already know. That's big. It's in the travel industry as well, them some big perks and benefits, absolutely.